Today we will start to learn how to use FStudio Unified software and take practice. Firstly, we need to go to the flexem.com, then click on Download, select Software. Choose FStudio Unified to download. Maybe you will be requested to input your information. Then you can start download. After download, you can follow the instructions to install this software. Then, after installation is finished, we can open this software. This is the start page of software. Here you can see the recent project in the middle area, and you can also click on the new project to create a new project or open an old project. And on the top of this software interface, here is a toolbar of the software: File, View, Run, PLC, Setup, and Tools Help. Now we can try to create a new project. Click on Create a New Project, then name this project, choose the location and the project type. Because FS Unified is an integrated platform for PLC and HMI, so here there is another HMI options, but today we just introduce the PLC. And here is PLC settings. This is a PLC model, and this is project property. It should be equivalent to the PLC hardware, and this is a variable template. You can set the settings as default or input the author and the description of this project. Then click Confirm. After create a new project, it will turn to hardware configuration. Now this is you can see the CPU model here. If you want to change the CPU, you can click on the hardware to drag the CPU model to replace, or double-click the model to replace. Then in the left side of this configuration page, here you can see the digital built-in digital inputs, digital outputs, and Ethernet port, extension board, serial port 1, serial port 2, and this is the slave network address. It works when the PLC worked as a slave device, and motion axis is for the motion controller to create different axes, and axis group and the electronic cam. So this is the hardware. These are hardware introductions, and also you can drag the different different modules to the left or right side of the CPU, and but different with other modules. 4G module is expanded on the left side. Also, you can choose some expansion board to drag to here. Then you can see all of this extension module or board on the left side of this interface. So after the there are some other situations that you add the extension module on the software, but you don't have the physical hardware. So when you download this project to the HMI, you can try to set this one as optional. So when you download this project to the PLC, it will not come an error to indicate the hardware is not matched. And after the hardware configuration, we can turn to the we can see the basic information of this hardware. The first one is here the basic information. I can click. We can delete this extension module and change to another one. For example, click on the CPU. This is the basic information. Here, you need to choose the power type according to the physical hardware. And here is the I/O summary and power consumption display. Next is runtime clock configuration. You can use a USB to connect the USB cable to connect the PC and PLC to read the runtime clock in the PLC. And also you can write the local PC time to PLC. But after this modification, you have to restart the PLC. And the task execution time, you also need to connect the USB and confirm. Then here you can see the execution time of the master program. Then next is IP. Because the default IP of this PLC is 192.168.11 and .200. But you can try to change this IP. Firstly, we can read the PLC IP configuration because the connection is built. So now we can read the PLC IP is 0.0.1. Now we can try to change the IP. Change to 2.100. Click on the synchronize to PLC. After the synchronization, you have to restart the PLC. Now I didn't restart the PLC, so we can disconnect and connect again. And read the PLC. Now it's not changed, so I have to restart. Synchronize. And power off. Power off the PLC. Because there is no power supply for PLC, so there is a power error. Now we try to power PLC on. And plug the USB cable to connect PLC by USB. Read the PLC configuration. Now the IP is changed. And for the Modbus TCP server and client is for the communication with communication configuration with other device. For more details, you can watch the video of communication. After the hardware configuration, now we take a look at the toolbar of this software. Firstly is this file option. Same to the FStudio software. There is create a new project, open project, and change to the start page, close project, save project, and save as, and exist this software. View is to for the full screen and the cross conference and reset the layout of software, or you can add some variables to monitor list to view the value changes. And for the PLC, here is a connection and debug. You can build or connect, disconnect. These options are some of these options are in this toolbar. You can check this here. This one is save and compile, connect or disconnect, upload or download, and run, stop, and reset false. This is monitor. And here there is another option is view ST code. Sometimes when you compile this project, it will if there is an error, it will show this error is in which line of the ST code. So you have to change the program to ST code and to solve this problem. And documentation is print and print settings. Comparison is you can select a local project or use PLC project to compile the difference between these two projects. For example, I can project with large difference. We can choose a local project, for example, and choose this one. So here, so you can see the version is not different. Is different, so we cannot change. We have to choose another one, or we can download this, but there is no main project. We can create a easy project. Then download this project to the PLC. Okay, confirm. Then we can add some DI module and click on the PLC comparison. PLC project. Oh, I didn't download the source project. Okay, then add comparison. Here you can see there is there is only one difference is the DI module is changed. So, and next one is project property. Here, here you can see at the left, at the right top of this software, there is a firmware version. This is 1.10.3 and the status is run. So here, the project property. This here is the firmware version. Sometimes if the project property is not matched with the firmware version, maybe it will come an error shows that you failed to download the program to the PLC. And next is restart PLC or restore the PLC to the factory settings. For setup, here is to change the language to English or Chinese, or you can to set the display settings. Tools is to update the firmware because you can see now the firmware is 1.10. It is the latest version, but maybe sometimes the software is updated and at the same time the firmware is updated. You also need to update the firmware manually because the firmware cannot be upgraded automatically from the server or by install the software. We have to upgrade manually. And here you can choose the local file to update. For example, I didn't extract this file, but here you can try to update the firmware by choosing local files or online upgrade, because this is the latest version, so there is no need to update, or download to local. Then after you update the firmware locally, after finish the updating, the PLC will restart, and you need to reconnect the PLC. And for the help, here are some PLC logs. You can collect logs when the PLC program comes an error. Or disk management. Here you can see where your project is saved in all the project occupation. And you can click on the help to view the online menu. Here are many detailed information about the function block or other application like communication or the motion control. Here you can see some motion control and some troubleshooting and program debugging and hardware address assignment. Also some PLC hardware configuration and some basic function block. Then is check for updates. Check for updates. You can update the software online, and for the about is to read the current software version. And now you can check for updates. I'm using the latest version, so I will not to change to update. So this is the toolbar of this software, and here are some shortcut of the PLC, then connect and debug function. And here you can see the PLC status, the connection connection status is connected to PLC by USB, and the firmware version and the PLC status is run. But it is offline from the cloud server because there is no 4G module connected. This part is to introduce the task interface of the FStudio Unified. Here are many sections of this interface. The first one is PLU, the second one is global variables and system variables, and custom data type, task config and the trees. The PLU is contains the main program and the function block function for this for the whole application, and you can click on the program to add new PLU and or new folder to classify these programs, and also you can import the PLU which one exported from other applications, and protect the PLU. Here you can try to set a password to protect. You can click on the main and set new password. Then, if others want to import this PLU to their application, they are requested to input the password. Otherwise, if they don't know the password, they cannot open this. They cannot import this program. And for the also you can click on the main program to export the PLU as a. Here you can save it to the desktop, and the type is FPLU save. And click on the program to import this PLU. Main program. Because this main is already exist, you can select the different types to import. You can retain after rename. Import PLU. After menu, here you can retain the PLU and customize and import file and overrides. So it overrides the old PLU. And here you can also to add a new function block and a new folder, import the function block and protect. The same as the program. And for the global variables, you can add the variables you will use in program here. And you can also download the template. Then download this template as Excel format. Then you can input the variables in this Excel. Then import to the variable list. And also you can add some variables that move down. Click on and move down, move up, and move. You can choose two different groups. Also, you can get new variable. And move here. Move this to the another global list. System variables, here are some some system registers, always on, and Ethernet IP here. And for the custom data types, there are array and struct and enum. Here you can declare by yourself and then use them in the global list. You can add an array, then call it in the global variable list or the struct to instance this data type. And for the task configuration, here you can add, for example, add one more program. And here because this LD main is overwrite, so we have to add another one. We can add these two function. We can add this two program in one master, or you can add another task. Name. Here you can set the priority. The 0 means it has the highest priority, and the priority is highest, and the 31 is the lowest. Or we can choose a middle one and select the program. And on the top of this task, you can set the priority and the type, circular and event. Event only for the task you created, because the master is a main task to execute. For the it will be circulate execution, and for the task created by ourselves, it can be set the type to event to trigger. And the trigger condition, here you can just use different variables to trigger the to execute this program. And for the trace, you can configure and choose the different variables and the color and y-axis, the maximum value and the minimum value to show the trace. Here you can choose to stop sampling when the buffer is full, or you can choose set when this trace is displayed. Here you can see the trace of these variables. And on the right side of this interface, here are some instructions of this software, of this application, and some motion controller function blocks. After you finish the project, you can download the project to the HMI. Here are different options you can choose. Whether to download the project source code. Here you can see, as we showed before, if you download the project source code, you can use a project comparison to view the difference between the current project and the PLC project, or whether synchronize PLC configuration. For example, you change the PLC IP in this project, whether to synchronize IP to the PLC hardware and retain variables data. It means that if in previous project there are some retain variable data is saved in the PLC, whether to save this data or clear this data. And the project encrypt. For example, firstly, you need to download the project source code. Then you can click on this option to protect the source code. Here you can to input to take this encrypt option and input the password. And also you can remember to operate. For example, I can set the password as 123 and 123. Then confirm. The PLC is of an early version and PLC cannot from. Please update the PLC. Because the PLC is not updated, so we have to degrade the project property to this one. Because this one, the range is from 180 to 11010. This is 110.3, so we have to change this version. And download this. Download the 123. Download this project to the PLC. Moment. Network. This one is empty. We can trigger variable. Task. Circuit. 50 milliseconds, and here to add a network. And the clock is 5 seconds. Then download. Also, you can remember the operator. Then you needn't to input once again. Okay, the PLC is stopped. We can start PLC program. The model used in because we don't have this physical extension module, so we have to set it optional. Okay, the PLC is running, and we can try to upload this project to the desktop. Project and confirm. So because this is encrypted, so we cannot open the project after downloading completed. We have to open it manually. And now we can see there is I can open the open project. Where did I save this project? Let me upload again. Desktop. Confirm. Here I need to extract. There is a password request. Input 123 to extract this project, and then we can open this project. This one, yes. So we can open this project. We uploaded from the PLC. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for your watching.